Hi, it's me Vamp, and welcome back or welcome to the channel. Now this is going to be a super quick showing slash tutorial on how to use Godot, because we are on the Godot engine right now. I know last time we talked a little bit about how you can make a game using a Godot engine. So I want to touch a little bit on how you can make TikTok videos using the Godot engine. Yes, TikTok. I know TikTok is a big thing now. So, I want to make sure that even us coding people, yes, I included me in the coding category, forgive me, but us coding people can use TikTok. Create a TikTok account, do stuff. Okay, so you guys might see I have a little, Vamp model inside. Let's call him 3D Vamp. I always do. So, yeah, the textures were imported, all that stuff. You can see here in the corner. Now, the animation, I was able to actually just get the animation from Adobe something. It's a site online. It actually animates character models for you. It's actually very convenient. I would recommend checking it out. If I can remember the site, I'll put a link in the description below if I remember it. But yeah, and then it was a matter of camera. The camera is important because you guys do the camera animation. Let's go to and then the script for the animation player. We imported Thriller. I say we because a friend actually helped me with the importation because I couldn't figure something out. It's always good to ask for help whenever you need to. Okay, so if you have someone you can go to help with the details and whatnot, as you see, the animation itself was in just fine, but thanks to the camera movement, some keyframes had to be made for the camera movement so it would track with everything. Hit the scripts. If we go to 3D, hit the result, and I'm going to play it. And in case you're wondering, I chose a green screen for a particular reason. And that is because of the simple fact that I wanted to make it so I could key out the green screen. That's actually a very, very important part, okay? You'll have to be able to key out the green screen, or rather the background. So you can choose a blue background if you want. You can choose neither if you want, but yeah, you will have to be able to do something, rather just a dancing model, or if you want to get more advanced and do like two models importing and do like a whole scene. Keep in mind that TikTok videos are vertical videos, so definitely keep that in mind. Now, if you're doing that for Instagram, same thing applies for the most part. I believe Instagram accepts vertical videos, but they also do square videos. So, if you want that, definitely keep that in mind. And yeah, hopefully this has helped you. Hopefully this has given you some ideas on using Godot to make TikTok videos. I know, as crazy as it seems, it And I know it's a crazy thing, but evolving with the times is very important, especially for developers. And why not get that extra, on the side thing and maybe make TikTok content with characters you may already have, assets you may already have. Yeah, and Godot is free as I'm talking right now. It's an open source engine, so why not? Thinking about it, quick note before I end the video. I talked about Godot's side of things when it comes to what you need, but I want to quickly mention the video editing side of it. You will need a video editing software as well as something to record your screen. For recording your screen, I recommend OBS. OBS is free. It's available on PC and Mac. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can download it, as well as I'm personally using DaVinci Resolve. I'm using the studio version, but there is a free version, and don't worry, the free version doesn't give you any watermarks or anything like that. After downloading your free version of DaVinci Resolve or whatever editing program you use, you would go into the timeline and press 1080 by 1920. That's the vertical video format. Now, if you're using some other fancy software or Final Cut Pro, you would just create a new project or event or whatever Final Cut Pro calls it, I forget, and just say you want to create a vertical event, and it will do that for you. And yeah, just copy the footage from Godot like I mentioned before, paste it in here, make your edits, and upload it to TikTok. With sound, with a song, without a song, really your choice. But yeah, hopefully this has helped you. Hopefully this has been a full enough video that you guys can potentially start on TikTok side thing as well. So yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.